Now we are going to use the definitions of the different metric in our numerical. So they are given first example like this. They said show that A is equal to cos alpha minus sin alpha and cos alpha is orthogonal matrix. We want to prove that this is the orthogonal matrix. First of all, we know that if a matrix is orthogonal matrix, then A into A transpose is equal to A transpose into A is equal to I. So we will solve any one, whether A into A transpose or A transpose into A is equal to I. Other will come same, because we know that multiplication of the matrix is commutative. This we already done in our last videos. So now I am going to find out first of all A transpose. What is the A transpose? It is the interchange of rows into column. Cos alpha minus sin alpha, I am going to write it as cos alpha minus sin alpha. Now sin alpha and cos alpha. This is the transpose of A matrix. Now I am going to find out A transpose into A. Means A transpose value is cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, and I'm going to multiply with A matrix. It is cos alpha minus sin alpha, then sin alpha and cos alpha. This is 2 cross 2 matrix. This is also the 2 cross 2 matrix, mean the multiplication is possible. How we are able to find the multiplication? First of all, first row, first column. Cos alpha multiply with cos alpha, it is cos square alpha. Sin alpha multiply with sin alpha plus sin square alpha. For second element, first row, second column, cos alpha minus sin alpha, so it is minus sin alpha cos alpha plus sin alpha multiply with cos alpha, it is sin alpha cos alpha. Next one is second row, first column, minus sin alpha cos alpha, so minus sin alpha cos alpha plus cos alpha multiply with sin alpha, so it is cos alpha sin alpha. For fourth element, second row, second column, what is the second row? Sin alpha multiply with minus sin alpha, minus sin alpha multiply with minus sin alpha, sin square alpha, cos alpha multiply with cos alpha, it is cos square alpha. Now sin square alpha plus cos square alpha value 1, it is negative positive, answer will 0, then here 0, here is 1, and this is what? This is the identity. In the same way we can prove A into A transpose is also is equal to identity. Now A into A transpose into A is equal to I, and if this is possible, it means it is a orthogonal matrix, henceforth. Clear? Now we will solve one more example related with it. Example number 2. Here they are given a matrix A and its value is 0, 2b, minus 2, 3, 1, 3, 3a, 3, minus 1. They said that find the value of A and B, and they mentioned that the matrix A is a symmetric matrix. They are given this is the symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix we already know. What is a symmetric matrix? When A transpose is equal to A, then it is a symmetric matrix. First of all, I am going to find out the value of A transpose. What is A transpose? Interchange the rows into column. Our row is 0, 2b, minus 2. So I am going to write 0, 2b, minus 2, 3, 1, 3, 3a, 3, minus 1. Now A transpose is equal to A transpose. So 0, 3, 3a, 2b, 1, 3, minus 2, 3, minus 1 is equal to A matrix. What is the A matrix? 0, 2b, minus 2, 3, 1, 3, 3a, 3, minus 1. Now compare and find out the value. We know that if two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements are equal. So minus 3a is equal to minus 2 plus 3a is equal to minus 2. So 3a is equal to minus 2 a value is minus 2 by 3. Now compare b1. 2b is equal to 3. So 2b is equal to 3. B value is equal to 3 by 2. Clear? Here we use the definition of the symmetric metric. In the previous one example, we use the definition of the orthogonal metric. Like this way, you are able to find out the answer of different questions and use the definitions of the different metrics. Now we will solve one more example. They are given here that example number 3. They are given if a plus b to 5b is equal to 6 to 5 to transpose, then find the value of a and b. Clear? Now listen, here they in left hand side they are given a plus b, 2, 5 and b matrix, and in the right side they are given transpose of it. So first of all, I am going to find out the transpose. Here they are mentioned this one sign, this is the transpose of the matrix. So to find out the transpose, it will be 6, 5, 2 and 2. Now these two matrices are equal, so compare the value. B is equal to 2. From first, a plus b is equal to 6. A plus b is equal to 6. A plus 2 is equal to 6. So a is equal to 4. So a value 4, b value 2. This is your answer. Like this way you are able to find out the answers of the different questions. So solve the related question from your exercise. Thank you.